Hi, grade threes. This week, we're going to keep working on our fractions. Today's video is going to be a bit of a review of what you learned last week. And then for the rest of the week, we've attached some videos and some books for you to watch each day. So fractions are when we equally share the parts of a whole. So think like a pizza. When we share a pizza with our friends or our family, we eat a part of the whole pizza. That's a fraction. Fractions are when we equally share the parts of a whole. So, like this donut. The donut is divided equally into two parts. It's important that both sides are the same size. Or in the case of a pizza, it's important that all the slices are the same size. You wouldn't want a tiny little piece while your little brother got a ginormous piece. That's not equal. With this donut, it's been split into half or two parts. Our top number is our numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. We have one part of this donut. The denominator is the bottom number. It tells us how many parts there were altogether, the whole thing. This whole donut was split into two parts, so the denominator is 2. This donut was split into 4 parts, so our denominator is 4. But we still only have one part, so our numerator is still only 1. This fraction can be said as 1 out of 4. We have one piece of donut out of 4 pieces altogether. We can also say we have 1/4 of the donut. The top number is the part, the bottom number is the whole. Fractions can also tell us how many items there are in a set. So taking a look at those puppy dogs, we could say that there are 2 gray puppy dogs out of 6 puppy dogs altogether. We could also say that there are 2 sad puppy dogs out of 6 puppy dogs altogether. Or that there are 4 brown puppy dogs out of 6 puppy dogs altogether. Fractions can also work for those kinds of sets. Like this one, a set of cupcakes. If I wanted to know how many cupcakes were green, there would be 1 green cupcake out of 5 cupcakes altogether. The part is the 1 and the whole is all of them. My numerator is the item that I have, and the denominator is the entire set. I can also say this fraction as 1 out of 5, or 1/5. If I wanted to know how many white cupcakes there were, I would say that I have 2 white cupcakes out of 5 cupcakes altogether. This one's even trickier. Now I'm looking at stars, and this is a really big set. I could say that I have 5 green stars out of 20 stars altogether. I could also say that I have 10 green and blue stars out of 20 altogether. So I can combine the items in a set to make a numerator for the top. If I wanted to know how many green and blue and black stars there are, I would say there are 15 out of 20. Using fractions to tell us how many items are a part of a set is a real world way that we use fractions every day. Go spend some time this week practicing your fraction skills, using boom cards, using SumDog, using the worksheets, watching the videos, and listening to the books on Epic.